Hello and welcome to The Bridge. The Indian wrestlers have started to take the stage to offer their best bid for the Olympic glory. While some of them have crashed out, a couple of them have staged unprecedented performance. But one of the best of Indian wrestling contingent is yet to take the center stage at Tokyo, and that's none other than Bajrang Punia. Let's jump right into unfurling the reason why Bajrang Punia can change the hue of the medal of his mentor. But before we do that, please do not forget to click on like, share and subscribe to support this video and to support the channel, and subscribe to the channel to receive more engaging and fun content from Bridge regarding sports.
For more latest news from the sports multiverse, please like, share and subscribe The Bridge and hit the bell icon to never miss a notification.
Mentored by our very own London Olympics bronze medalist Yogeshwar Dutt, Bajrang Punia has stamped his dominance in the 65 kg category. Dutt's retirement after 2016 paved the way for Punia to take the center stage, and suffice to say, he hasn't looked back ever since. Asian and Commonwealth Games gold medalist and only Indian wrestler to win 3 medals at the World Championship, has many more of those in his cabinet to showcase his luster in the sport. Bajrang Punia will be participating in his maiden games as seeded world number 2 and is a genuine medal contender, but by no means his journey is going to be easy and will be firmly challenged by the likes of Russia's world champion Gazi Murad Rashidov, Daulat Niazbekov of Kazakhstan, Ismail of Hungary, and Takuto Otoguro of Japan. But as far as the draws for Bajrang Punia is concerned, he will be kicking off his journey in Tokyo against Kyrgyzstan's Ernazar. The 26-year-old Bajrang Punia is expected to win his first bout before the real challenge starts. And if he does so, it is highly likely that he would face Iran's Kiyasi Chika, who had won bronze in the recently concluded Asian Championships in Almaty, and then the 2019 World Championship silver medalist Daulat Niazbekov from Kazakhstan. While it is not certainly going to be easy for Bajrang Punia, but he should be thankful to his stars that Takuto Otoguro from Japan has been drawn in the other half. Highly decorated for his stamina, power and attacking ability, Punia has managed to stand tall on the podium of some of the world's major wrestling tournaments. Indeed, Punia has what it takes to bring a medal home, but will he be able to better his mentor and change the color of the medal? If you have stayed till here, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to click on like, share and subscribe to receive more engaging and fun content from The Bridge. And do not forget to click on bell icon to never miss a notification. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.